morning, National Dayers! It's Mrs. Erickson. Today is Tuesday, January 11th. Happy National Learn Your Name in Morse Code Day.
National Learn Your Name in Morse Code Day is generally celebrated on January 11th. Morse code is a method of telecommunication used to encode messages in a sequence called dashes and dots, or dits and das, which sound like clicks. Samuel Morse created the system in 1830s. Samuel Morse created the system in the 1830s with the help of his assistant, Alfred Lewis Vail. Morse code was later improved by an American scientist, Joseph Henry. They were the ones who modified this electronic mode of communication and unveiled it on January 11th in 1838. Telecommunications began to evolve, and the Morse code system became pivotal during the World Wars. During World War II, Morse code was used between warships and naval bases because radio frequency was limited and easily identifiable by military enemies. The U.S. military still trains a number of its recruits in this old communication system, since it may prove useful should all other communication systems fail in a time of need. Today is also National Arkansas Day, National Step in a Puddle and Splash Your Friends Day, and National Milk Day.
Today's shout out goes out to Ms. Ashley, Ms. Janelle, Ms. Marcella, and Mr. Parker, and the entire A team in Shadow Mountain High School in Phoenix, Arizona. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you loved your shout out. Teachers, would you like to get your class a shout out? Just complete the Google form. The link can be found below in the description.
Morse code is still used today by amateur radio enthusiasts and is also useful for sending urgent distress signals in emergency situations. While learning Morse code isn't particularly difficult, it does require study and dedication like any other language. Once you've learned the meaning of the basic signals, you can begin writing and translating messages of your own. Listen to Morse code recordings. Pay attention to the pauses between each character as well as the characters themselves. If need be, slow the playback of the recording to make each signal easier to pick out. There are even apps that you can download on your phone to help you learn how to use Morse code today. So Morse code uses dashes and dots in place of letters. So for instance, Mrs. E would be M dash dash, R would be dot dash dot, S would be dot dot dot, and then a space or a pause, and then E would be dot, just like that.
Okay, National Dayers, now that you have the Morse code alphabet, see what you can write with it. Anything! You can write anything! You could write an entire book in Morse code. Yeah, it would take a while, but what better way to learn the alphabet and have it memorized? But for now, keep smiling. Have a dash, dot, dot, dash, dot, dot, dash, dot, 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 dash, dot, 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 dash, dot, dash, dot, Tuesday. Keep smiling, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!